Hello everyone, and welcome to this video on how mass media influences our cognitive shortcuts. In the previous video, we talked about the message construction and audience activity. We saw that people are actually quite apt at selecting the messages they want to process, both on a conscious level and an unconscious level. Our unconscious level of message selection is influenced by cognitive shortcuts. These are mental processes that we use to simplify the decision-making process. Some common cognitive shortcuts include heuristics. These are a rule of thumb that we use to make quick decisions. For example, we may use the heuristics trust experts to decide whether or not to believe a message. Biases. These are systematic errors in our thinking. For example, we might be more likely to believe information that confirms our existing belief, a phenomenon known as confirmation bias. Mass media can influence our cognitive shortcuts in a number of ways. For example, the media can highlight certain messages. The media can decide which messages to cover and how much attention to give them. This can influence which messages we pay attention to and which ones we ignore. The media can use persuasive techniques such as emotional appeal or horror to influence our thinking. The media can also create a sense of urgency about a particular issue, which can make us more likely to accept the message. The mass media can have a significant influence on our cognitive shortcuts. This can be a good thing as it can help us to process information more efficiently. However, it can also be a bad thing as it can make us more susceptible to persuasion. It is important to be aware of how the media can influence our thinking so that we can make informed decisions about the information we consume.